when you sell that house, if you've ever collected Medi-Cal, and I mean 40 years ago, or whatever, you will have to pay the state back that money.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
So anybody here that ever did, just beware, if you have a property and you sell it, that's what happens. And the same goes for a nursing home. So if somebody's in a nursing home and they pass away, they have bills because the state's been paying for them. So now they passed away and your heirs have your house. Well, too bad, heirs, you need to pay us first and then you can have what's left if there's anything left. And you know, sometimes these people can stay in these homes for a long time.
Yeah.
You
Exactly.
said you didn't know anything.
Well, that's why I'm we have clients, right? Okay, so if you have kids, a will is useless, okay? You need to live in trust.
Yes.
Or it goes for probate. And then I tell my clients, like this young girl, okay, apparently her mom's Asian, they're Asian. So when she went through the house, she found all these cash in the walls. Because Asians don't trust banks, right? Everywhere, just in mason jars. But I said, do not, because she had to split it between her two sisters. I said, don't split it now, you can't sell it. I said, why? Because she has to pay off all the debts, property taxes, everything, and then after the fact, you get your money. But if not, she's gonna get screwed. Her sister is gonna walk away scot-free, and she's gonna have to owe all these bills. Yeah. Wow.
Okay. So, this is good information. Yeah,
There's a mortgage on a property for like 100,000.
they're wiped out.
I know, and there's 10,000 of property taxes due. Why doesn't the bank or whoever owns that note pay the property taxes? Because they're going to lose their whole value.
Two reasons why. Is one, that maybe it was sent to them and they didn't follow up, ignored it. That's one big reason. Number two, the condition of the property. The bank says, we don't want to foreclose on the property at all, because they're still gonna have to pay me my taxes back on what I paid, no matter what. Okay? So it all varies with the bank. If you drive by and you see these boarded up houses, okay, a lot, and there's a mortgage on it, a lot of times the bank says, no, I don't want it. Okay, they're just gonna wipe it off. Okay?